Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Again Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to set up parental control in Google Play Store in Android smartphone. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, open Play Store and tap on the three lines to access the setting. Tap on the settings. Now you'll find here an option called parental controls under the settings. So tap on it. Now tap here again to turn on parental controls. Now create a new pin here. Tap OK and type the same pin again. Tap OK. Now under content restrictions, tap on apps and games. Now by default, least restrictive is selected. Now if you want to allow only the application which is rated as 3+ only, then you can select rated for 3+. Okay. Now if you want to allow the installations of the application which is rated as 7+, then you can tap on this option. You can select the rating for different age group as per your needs. Then tap on the save option to apply the settings. In the same way, you can also set up parental controls for movies also, and tap on save to apply the settings. So as I have selected the rating for 7+ only, now I'll be able to install only the application which is rated as 7+. So in this way you can set up parental control in Google Play Store. So this option is very useful for the parents who shares their mobile phone to children and want to restrict them from certain games or a certain application. You can use this option. So I hope you like this video tutorial and finding useful for you. So if you're finding this video information useful for you, click on the like button and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. And thanks for watching my video.